How to deposit money on Moomoo. So what you're gonna have to do is log into your account, of course, and in this section, just go to the accounts. So once you're in accounts, like so, you're gonna have to go and choose the all option, which is this. But if you have the deposit, then you can go ahead and directly press on that. But again, just press on all. If not, then just go ahead to deposit. What you're gonna have to do at this point is just select your deposit currency. Pretty much depends on where you're from and the options, but it should just be CAD or USD. So choose the one that, of course, you're going for. So once you've done that, it will show you the options on how you would like to deposit. There's online bill payment, which is the most popular, a wire transfer, and electronic funds transfer. You'll be able to see details like the estimated arrival and the fees as well. So choose whichever you prefer and go ahead with the process. And you should be able to deposit money on your Moomoo account. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.